Most of the businesses or business owners, they thinking that, oh, we don't have enough leads, that's why our business is struggling. But reality is, it's not all about leads. It's about broken system. If you have a database of existing customers or customers from the past, you can still reactivate them. And if you have new leads coming in, but there is no follow-up, or it's inconsistent, it's mean you losing opportunities. With Pulse Growth, you can fix all of that. You can fix your system with the setup, with the support, with the team training. So every lead is actually handled properly. And then scaling actually makes sense. So when I say system and follow-up, it's again sounds a little bit confusing, but if we speak in a simple language, basically when you have potential customers coming via the website or coming via social media or want to speak to you directly on DMs or WhatsApp or SMS or email, you cannot probably handle everything yourself, right? There is a system and there is a way how to automate every inquiry, how to send the link to a calendar to book a call with you or your salespeople. There is a way then AI can handle the calls, AI can answer frequently asked questions, and you only speak to potential customer once the customer is ready. So if you want to test the system, you just sign up with Pulse Growth. There is a free trial, no strings attached, and we schedule one-on-one strategy call, and we help you to set everything up. And you really see how your business life is going to change. You're going to save lots of time and money, by the way.